Jira tutorial. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open Atlassian.com/software/Jira in your browser. Log into your account. If you do not have one, you can create one first by entering your email and clicking the sign up button. After that, you will be directed to the email verification page. Go check your email inbox and enter the verification code. Next, enter your full name and your password. Once you are done, click continue. You will then be asked to create a site. Enter your site name and click continue. Jira will ask about your job role. Click the option that fits you best, and when you are done, click continue. You will then be asked to enter your first project name. After typing it in, click the Get Started button. Once that is done, Jira will ask what type of work you do. Select all the options that apply to you, and after that, click Next. After that, Jira will ask how you track your work. Choose your preferred settings for tracking your work. Once you have set everything up, click the Finish button.